In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to speed up your browsing experience by adjusting a few crucial settings. If you've ever found yourself frustrated by slow loading web pages, this guide is for you. Let's dive straight into optimizing your browser for swifter and smoother performance. First, we'll begin by making our way to your default browser. Pay attention to the page settings icon, which often appears as a small gear icon located in the top right corner of the page. Once you click on this, you'll be taken into the browser settings hub. This is where you have the power to control various aspects of your browsing experience. Inside these settings, look for an option labeled Show Content. Disabling this feature can make a big difference in how quickly your pages load. By not preloading content, your browser can dedicate its processing power to the essentials, resulting in a much snappier experience for you. Next, let's stay focused on the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll spot 3 vertically aligned dots. Go ahead and give them a click. This action will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings to delve into more detailed options. I want to introduce you to a convenient shortcut here. Use the search bar at the top of the settings page to type in Enable Efficiency Mode. Efficiency mode is originally designed to help optimize power consumption, but it can sometimes slow things down by limiting resources. By toggling this on, you ensure your browser is employing its full resources, helping you maintain the fastest browsing experience possible. Now let's address your browser extensions. While these can be truly beneficial, having too many can slow down your browser's overall performance. Navigate to the section marked Extensions within your settings. Here, you'll find a list of all the extensions you have installed. Take a moment to evaluate each one and remove those that you don't frequently use or that no longer serve a purpose for you. A quick cleanup like this can significantly boost your browser's speed and efficiency. Finally, it's time to clear out some of the accumulated clutter from your browser. Go back to the Settings search bar and type in Clear Browser Data. This will bring you to the option for clearing your browsing history, cached images and files, along with other stored data. Click on Choose What to Clear, and you'll be presented with a list of options. For a thorough cleanup, select options like browsing history, cookies, and cached files. Don't forget to set the time range to all time to remove all the accumulated data. This process frees up a fair amount of space, allowing your browser to operate much more efficiently. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you're on the path to enjoying a faster and more streamlined browsing experience. Remember, keeping your browser settings optimized is essential for a hassle-free internet journey. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more helpful content.